Okay guys, welcome to my first fidget cube unboxing. Just came in the mail today. Let's see what's in here. It's kind of weird to open. We can get this open. There he is. First impressions on the fidget cube would be, if I can get this out of here, it's stuck in there really good. There we go. Some weird Japanese or Chinese writing in there, I don't know, but let's get this out of here. Ooh, this does not look like how I got it. It's supposed to be the green one. This does not look green. Kind of feels cheap, like it could break. Ooh, but you can click that down, which is nice. Ooh, this feels like poorly put together. That one's kind of cool. Okay, this is not an actual fidget cube. This is a knockoff brand because of this is not supposed to click. Only this one, and this one, not this one. So this is a knockoff brand. We got the wrong fidget cube. Ooh, and this ball doesn't even turn. Not good. Oh, his gears don't work. Yeah, no, this is not it at all. Jeez. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to subscribe.